Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I want to say welcome back to my channel. Today is another great collaboration with me and three other amazing Canadian artists. We're all fluid artists and we're using colors that inspire us. So that's fall's colors, autumn colors. Alright, my good friend Sandra gave me that cup. It's a flat nose cup. This is my second cup she's given me. She'd also given me another split cup, personalized with one of my, amazing saying. I always say, you know what, guys, you're gonna love it. So she had that personalized for me. So these are the colors I'm working with today. I'm using green, brown, red, orange, and yellow. The names of the paint, the brand names will be listed in the description box below. And I'm going to be pouring all 5 colors in the separate chambers. It's a 5-chamber split cup, flat nose split cup. My first time using this, super excited. So all 4 of us today will be using one of Sandra's cups, whether it's going to be that flat nose cup or it's going to be one of the regular, split cups with that pointy sprout. So guys, it's gonna be a surprise. Let's see what the other ladies come up with. So here I am just pouring the paint, and I'm telling you, it was a bit challenging because if you guys watch my channel, I don't do a lot of these. This is actually, I don't do a lot of ring pours out of using like split cups and stuff like that. So I was just going with the flow here, guys. I love the colors though. I gotta tell you that even the way it looks right now, I was like, wow. I do hope my colors doesn't blend too much. I do hope I can see some separation in here. So I was like anxious, but the thing that I've learned with doing ring pours, you have to let the paint sit for a while, because when I mixed it, I let it sit for over 2 hours and stuff like that. And then while I pour it just now, I let it sit for a while before I started tilting it. My video is sped up because we have a requirement. The video should not be over 13 minutes long. And all our color combinations, and like I mentioned before, guys, fall inspired colors, and we should use gold. I'm adding the gold after. I wanted to give like a ribbon effect with the gold on top. You know what, guys, just watch to the end and let me know, because I keep tweaking this one because I wasn't too sure. It just didn't seem quite finished. So you will see me tweaking and working on it. I quickly realized I had like way too much paint here on this canvas. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and the cup size, oh my goodness, as you can tell, it was a big split cup. And I had a lot of paint, guys. I had a lot of paint here on the canvas. So I know I was going to be tilting off a lot. And once I see the colors open up, I'm like, what? I had the idea of just, keeping the colors separated and keeping some of those lines, just getting rid of some of the muddy area. And guys, imagine I use brown in this. Brown, okay? Like it's a beautiful shade of brown. You guys can check it out in my description box. And I love how defined the lines are. This split cup here, I gotta say, Sandra, it's beautiful. It's amazing. I love how big these rings are, and the lines are just amazing. I can see all the colors I poured in here: the green, the orange, the red, the brown, the yellow. And of course, when you use yellow in a pour, especially with the flip cup or the split cup, sometimes your yellow will mute a bit and get blended and get lost within this composition. But you can see some highlights there from the yellow, and it's beautiful. I'm loving it. I added the gold after, and then as you can see, it didn't really show as much. I was trying to create some more lines of gold in here, but you know what, guys, you will see me tweaking and going at it and trying my best to make this work, okay? And you just have to be patient with yourself and be patient when you're doing an abstract piece. Sometimes you shouldn't rush it. You know, even though you'll watch an artist and see how they do their particular ring pour, you can come out and create your own. You can adjust it, you can tweak it, you can wreck it, whatever it is, whatever words that they use to describe, you know, you can do it. You don't have to settle for any one thing. I know sometimes people are trying to get the same result as other artists that they've watched on YouTube. You don't have to, guys. You just want to know that you're getting the right consistency when you're mixing your paint and all of that. And you just want to know that you're trying the technique, and yes, it works. But at the end of the day, try and make it work for you, where you're gonna find your own way. Okay, make it your own. All right, I stress on that a lot. I tell people, you know what, don't really copy what someone else do. Try and figure it out on your own. And even with the recipe and everything, because I've tried several other artists' recipe, and I'm telling you, I don't know what it is, but sometimes it doesn't work. You have to experiment. You have to just find your own way, and you will be so amazed with the result that you get. Trust me, guys, this is why I'm here. All right, so I am so loving this color combination. I'm telling you, it's just so beautiful. I'm really happy with, you know, the whole composition. I have to be honest, I'm happy. I was a bit worried about the red and you know, thinking it was too heavy in some areas, but I think it was just fine. The brown and that green really blends well together. And then of course with the orange, wow. So here I'm just using my popsicle stick just to wreck this a bit, just to create some sort of a frills and design in here, just to make this piece you know, a bit more abstract and a bit more like autumn, you know, fall, just to show some sways and leaves and movements and all of that happening in here. So I do hope you guys are inspired to try this, and let me know, yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this piece. And of course, guys, you know, give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. And if you're new to my channel, I really want to say thank you for being here. Do subscribe. I have various techniques and various contents to share with you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so that whenever I post a new video, you are notified. And of course, with all the other participants in today's collaboration, you know, Sandra will be coming up next. And following Sandra is going to be Amy. And last but not least will be Manon. Guys, like our videos, give us a thumbs up, you know, share our videos, with your friends and family. You know, this is how we get to grow on YouTube and get to reach more people. You know, you have to really interact with our posts so that the algorithm can, you know, be on our side. That's all it is, guys. It's a small favor that we can ask, you know, and it will mean the world to us. So just go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell and hit all, so that whenever we post a new video, you're notified. We really do appreciate you guys coming out and supporting us by watching our channel and, yeah, liking the videos. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. So loving it, guys. I will be showing you different angles of this piece. So here is one angle that I'm showing you. I think I'm showing you guys 3 different angles. Do hope you love it. And of course, you know, let me know how this one makes you feel. Give me a like, you know, share this with your friends and family. The colors in here are so vibrant. I did turn my light off, so this is just a flash from my phone picking up the colors in here. It's just beautiful, that bright red. And I think I'm using all Decoart colors here, guys. It's just amazing, really stunning, really bright. Loving this piece. What do you guys think? And of course, here it is, all dried and hanging on my fireplace. There's no finish on this, there's no resin or varnish. The colors remain just as vibrant. Loving it. Check out that brown, guys. It's beautiful. Don't be afraid to use brown in your pour. It's a beautiful color. All right, guys, and it's a part of fall. You know, you have the orange, the yellow, the red, and you know, a shade of green. Beautiful fall colors in here, guys. You know, thank you so much for coming out today and watching our videos. Coming up next will be Sandra from Sandra's Sensations Acrylic Art. Do stick around and check out her video. She'll be up next, followed by Amy and then Manon. Don't you go away, guys. We will see you, and thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and I'll see you next time. Bye.